Hello friends, I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, today we are going to solve some questions on the necklace. Okay, so let's we move towards our today's video. Friends, if you are new watcher here, if you are new watching me, then please subscribe this channel for getting you latest and new videos. Let's we move today's video, the workshop on necklace. Okay, let's we move. So friends, here is the workshop on the necklace. Okay, so in last in last video we learned the first part of the necklace, and the necklace, this story written by Guy de Maupassant. Okay, which is very interesting, which is very popular, that we learn in last class. Let's we see how the questions are there and how we can solve it. Okay, I'll tell you the answer also, and you replied it, and whenever I tell you the answer, you please write down it in your notebook, so uh, you can make your record in your notebook, okay, for future. The first question is, or read each of the following sentences aloud, write who said it and to whom. So here are some questions from A to G, and these questions are from who said to whom. Okay, so the first A, look, here is something for you. So can you guess who can say to whom? Can you guess it? Look, here is something for you. So this sentence said by the Mr. Moisel, okay, husband, okay, Mr. Moisel to the Mithelde. Okay, the answer is this sentence, look, here is something for you. This sentence said by the Mr. Moisel, who was a husband, okay, to whom? To the Mithelde. Then B, why the dress you go to the theater in? So this sentence also said Mr. Moise to the Mithelde. Then C, I would rather not go to the party. So this sentence, when that husband gave envelope in the hand of Mithilde, so at that time she uttered this sentence, okay, I would rather not go to the party. Why? Because she doesn't have any dress to go into the party, or she doesn't have any necklace, any jewelry to wear it and go into the party. So this sentence said Mrs. Mithilde or Mrs. Moisel. Okay, Mithilde is her name. So Mithilde said to the her husband Mr. Moisel. Then D, choose my dear. So this sentence, when that Mithilde went to her friend's home, so at that time Mrs. Madame Moister, okay, who was her friend, and she said to the Mithilde. Then E, you have nothing else. This sentence said Mithilde to the Madame Moister. Then, would you lend me this, just this? This sentence also said Mithilde to her friend, okay, Madame Moister. Then, what? How? That's impossible. So this sentence uttered when the Methilde reached at home, and at the time when she saw her into the mirror, at the time she never thought his necklace on her neck, in her neck. So at the time, husband said to the Mithilde, okay, so Mr. Moisel said to the Mithilde this sentence. What? How? That's impossible. Okay, so this is all that we learn, who said to whom. Okay, now the second is, write a few lines about what Mithilde had and what she dreamed about. So we have to write much more thing about the Mithilde, and whenever we not read that chapter necklace, whenever we not watch that chapter, then we cannot understand uh, how was the background of Mithilde and what she dreamed about. Okay, so you watch that video. Okay, I'll give you here also the link, then you can watch here also. Okay, here above is a link. Okay, I'll give you here a link, then you watch this, you can understand again. Now I'll tell you something more about the Mithilde. So Mithilde was born in very poor family and Era of Fate. She born the Era of Fate in Clark's family. Okay, and her dreamed about the so much bigger than the poor person. Okay, so this is the something about the Mithilde. You watch that video and you can understand it. Then third, write what do you think about the following thoughts and actions of Mithilde. Now here are some questions, and these are the sentences. These are the thoughts that we have to think about it, and we have to tell. So first is A. Mithilde was beautiful, and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. Yes, she was so beautiful. She was so charming, but she born in the Clark's family, and she born by the year of fate. So that's why no any aristocrat member or person want to marry with her. So she wanted to marry with him, but no any aristocrat family member want marry with the Mithilde. Then next B. Mithilde was sad because she did not get any luxury. Why is she sad? Because she did not get luxury. Now, why she did not get luxury? Because she think that she was from the poor family, because her family, her home is very poor, very little, and everywhere is dirtiness. So that's why she feel very sad. Then Mithilde felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. So that's I told you, because of her poorness. Then Mithilde wanted other people to invite her. She wanted to invite to anyone to her, but her home is not so big, so she could not invite to the others. Then Mithilde was not happy to see the invitation because she doesn't had the dress, she doesn't had any jewelry, so that's why she was not happy when she saw that invitation card in her husband's hand. Then F. Mithilde wanted a new dress for herself. So why Mithilde wanted a new dress? Because she won't go to the party, and so in that party she when she entered into the party, so at that time everyone want look to her. So that was her thinking. So that's why she want new dress, and for what? For going to the party. Then Mithilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend and wore it to the party. Now, this is very correct. She didn't have any jewelry for going there, and that's why she went to her friend and she borrowed a necklace, and then she wore it into the party. She danced there, and uh, then she fall the necklace there also. Then yet Mithilde lost the necklace. Yeah, it means necklace was the treasury of her pleasure, and when this necklace lost, it means her pleasure is lost. Okay, so when she did lost this necklace, when she was coming towards her home, so at the time she lost her necklace. Then the fourth, prepare a formal invitation using the following format. Now here is a format of invitation card. So we have to prepare this at home, and I request you please see this format and you make it at your home. And what for you making? So you invite to the your friend for 15 August, okay, for the program which is going in your school on the 15 August. So you please invite your friend. Okay, so this is the formula, this is the format of that invitation card. Look, Mr. and Mrs. dash dash, so we have to put their name, Mr. and Mrs. Then solicit the pleasure of your company on the occasion of the dash dash of their dash dash on dash dash and date. So here is what the occasion is, so we have to put there the name of that program, name of that occasion. Then we have to put there the on which day it will be going to celebrate, then date, time. So here is a venue also, so address we have to put there, and then time also we have to put there time. So prepare the invitation card like this. This is a great format. We can prepare this at our home. Now let's see the next. Fifth point, read the following. The necklace, an error, all these things, another woman, one evening, her husband. So if you read this at the time, we can feel that what is the and all these, another, one, and her. So these are the determiners. Okay, the, a, and the, this is the articles. Okay, and the articles include indeterminers. Then an, it is article also, and the is the definite article, and it is indefinite article. All these, it is the it is also demonstrative pronouns. Then another, one, and her, these are the demonstrative pronoun. And quantifiers, all these are the quantifiers. So here are some types of determiners in very little. I'll make a deep video on this determiners, then we'll understand it very well. Just understand how the use of determiners before the noun. Okay, then you, here is another one order to you. Write your phrases using each of types of determiners. So you make your own sentences, you make your own phrases and use the determiner of each type. Okay, like possessive pronouns, articles, demonstrative, quantifier, numeral. So all that you use in that sentences, and make the sentences or make the phrases at your home. So this is the workshop on the necklace part first. So here is also a second part in your textbook, but this part is reduced from your syllabus in this year. Okay, because of the COVID-19. So only this part, first part, that we have. So I hope you understood this all workshop and all question and answer. If I mistake something there while I'm speaking, so you correct it. Okay, or you can comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye.